Hello, how to solve 3 power n equals n power 9, solving for the value of n. Now, what we are going to do is start by eliminating this n here. So we multiply the exponent by 1 over n. This is 3 power n raised to the power of 1 over n. And this equals n power 9 raised to the power of 1 over n. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. Applying this right here, I have 3 power n times 1, that's n over n, equals n power 9 times 1, 9 over n. So right now, we have n divided by n is 1. So I have 3 power 1 equals n power, this is 9 divided by n. So the next step is to eliminate this 9 here. For me to eliminate this 9 here, I can multiply the exponent again by 1 over 9. I have 3 power 1 over 9 times 1, the one that we have here. And this equals n power 9 over n times 1 over 9. So we consider this identity again. A power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. Applying this right here and here, I simply have 3 power, this is 1 over 9. We multiply this, or let's still add the times 1, because we are going to make use of that. N power 9 times 1, that is 9 divided by n times 9, that is 9n, and cancel 9. So right here, 3 power 1 over 9 times 1 equals n power 1 over n, because 9 cancels 9. Now, at this point, n here, n here. But here we have 3 and 9, which are different, so we need to make it to be the same. So for us to achieve that, we apply the concept of equivalent fractions. If I have 3 over 3, this is just like writing 1. So I'm going to replace this one here with 3 over 3. So I'll simply have 3 power 1 over 9 times 3 over 3 equals n power 1 over n. From here, I have 3 power 3 times 1, 3 divided by 3 times 9, 27 equals n power 1 over n. From here, I have 3 power, I can factor out this 3. This is 3 times 1 over 27 equals n power 1 over n. Now, if I have a power n times n equals a power n or power n, apply this right here, I will simply have 3 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 27 equals n power 1 over n. From here, I have 3 power 3, that is 27, raised to the power of 1 over 27 equals n power 1 over n. So right now, if I have a power 1 over a, this equals b power 1 over b. So I can easily have 1 over a equals 1 over b. I cross multiply a times 1, a equals b times 1, b. So we do the same thing here. I have 1 over 27 equals 1 over n. I cross multiply n times 1, n equals 27 times 1 of 27. So this is my answer. Now this is how you can easily solve this exponential problem. So let's go ahead and test if that value will satisfy the equation. We have n equals 27. I have 3 power n equals n power 9. So this means I have 3 power 27 equals 27 power 9. So what I'm going to do is I can express 27 as product of 3 times 9. I have 3 power 3 times 9 equals 27 power 9. So don't forget, if you have a power n times m equals a power n or power n. So right now, I will have 3 power 3 or power 9 equals 27 power 9. And 3 power 3 is 27 power 9 equals 27 power 9. Both sides are the same. So that satisfies the equation. So guys, for you to solve an exponential problem like this, the first step is to eliminate this variable here because we have it here, you eliminate it here. After that, we are going to have this. So you need to also eliminate the number here. You want all the variables to be in one part and all the numbers should be in one part. So you also eliminate the number here. And after doing that, we are simply going to have this. So you are also going to realize that the variable here and the variable here are the same, but the number here and the number here are different. So you need to make them to be the same. So what we are going to do is to simply replace this one here with 3 over 3. And once you replace it with 3 over 3, the numbers here at the base and at the denominator of the exponent will be the same. So what we are going to do will be to replace what? So from here, we replace the 1 with 3 over 3 and we have this. So we easily multiply that. We have 3 times 1, we have 3, and 9 times 2, you have 27, and we factor out the 3. At the end, you are going to have the base here and this to be the same, and which equals this and this. So at this point, we can easily equate the exponent based on this particular identity of a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b. So we did the same thing by cross multiplying, and we discovered that n equals 27. So the next thing we did was to insert this 27 back into the equation. So we did that. We have 3 power 27 is it the same thing as 27 power 9. We express 27 as product of 3 and 9. And at the end, we have 3 power 3 power 9 equals 27 power 9. So at the end, we have this. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.